Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In the heart of the Millennium Cricket League, the F40 League Division B clash unfurled a tale of sheer dominance as Novo Sunrisers and Columbia CC clashed on 06 for 29 for 2024. The stage was set for an encounter that promised fireworks.
Anticipation hung thick as Columbia CC opted to bowl, perhaps a strategic move in this high-stakes game. The arena, buzzing with energy, awaited a cricketing saga rife with drama and heroics.
A heartfelt thanks to the sponsors who have turned this cricketing script into an epic. Their support mirrored the passion on the pitch, setting the stage for a match that will be etched in history.
DifGen Pharmaceuticals, mirroring precision with every delivery, and Faith Home Healthcare, forging partnerships like the ones we witnessed on the field today, have been instrumental in bringing this spectacle to life.
Sunrisers' innings was like a well-orchestrated symphony. With meticulous hits and strategic partnerships, it was not just about the runs but how they were scored, a testament to the art of building an innings. Columbia CC, though, found themselves outmaneuvered on the chessboard of cricket.
Columbia's decision at the toss seemed to have backfired as the Sunrisers set the stage ablaze. Crucial breakthroughs and masterful strokes turned the tides, crafting a narrative that had everyone riveted, leading to a formidable total that seemed like a mountain to scale.
The Sunrisers' first innings was a spectacle, with Sehul Patel's bat weaving a century of triumph. The partnerships blossomed like spring, especially the one between Rexon and Rajendran, setting a solid base.
Columbia's bowlers, led by Purushotham's triple strike, tried to stem the flow. Yet, the Sunrisers' strategic maneuvers and a flurry of boundaries kept the scoreboard ticking, elevating their innings from good to monumental.
The second innings unraveled quickly for Columbia, with wickets tumbling like dominoes. A solitary fight from Nanavati, but it was the ferocity of Sunrisers' bowling, with Gangula leading the charge, that defined the inevitable collapse.
Amidst the ruins of Columbia's innings, it was a narrative of what might have been. Sunrisers' bowlers, particularly Gangula's 5-wicket haul, scripted a tumbling narrative that left no room for a Columbia comeback.
Sehul Patel's bat carved out a scintillating century, and Hari Gangula's bowling was an epitome of destruction. On this field of dreams, they emerged as the architects of victory, etching their names in the annals of the league.
The impact of Patel's unbeaten knock and Gangula's bowling masterclass was palpable, as their performances wove together the fabric of this triumph. It was a masterstroke that shifted the narrative in the Sunrisers' favor, propelling them to an emphatic victory.
The Sunrisers emerged victorious by a colossal margin of 200 runs, a tale of one team soaring while the other was left to ponder what went amiss. It was the Sunrisers' day, and they seized it masterfully.
A stunning victory that sends ripples through the league, solidifying the Sunrisers' supremacy. For Columbia, it's back to the drawing board. This result will echo, as much in the victors' celebrations as in the silence of the defeated. As the dust settles, we reflect on a match that was not just played, but lived. It was a cricketing odyssey, complete with its heroes and heartbreaks, a story that will be recounted for ages in the Millennium Cricket League.
The sun sets on a day that belonged to the Sunrisers, a victory that will be savoured and a performance that sets the stage for their next encounter. In this game of glorious uncertainties, today's triumph is a testament to the sheer beauty of cricket.